This song is called Goodbye, but I'm saying hello. Welcome back to the Fitness Marshall channel. If you want a full 45-minute workout, make sure you check out the sweat set at the end of this video. It's a playlist on the Fitness Marshall channel with 12 songs back-to-back that changes every single week, so you can always get a fresh and full workout. Wow, how annoying was that voice?
Time to say goodbye.
We're gonna start this dance off very slow to the right, so we're all on the same page. Pull it low, go, pull. Down, oh Haley, you wanted to start fast. Down, low, speed this up here. Pull. Woo, you're like a happy tornado. Walk it front, right foot. Back, right. Walk front. Cross arms. Everything else is frozen. Right arm goes up, pull down. Wave goodbye. Back to the beginning. Whoa. The weather forecast today is gusty winds. Go! I want you to wave so hard that you make the remote fly up off the couch. Walk in front. Back. Cross arms, go. Oh, this burns. Right hand goes up, pull it down. Wait, goodbye. Sayonara. Nikki part, up, top. I want you to get your breath while pretending like you don't need to. Add some arms, cross, down, up. Cross, down, up.
I bring the cake, let them lick the icing.
See this up, go.
Yes, this Tyson. None of you hoes will ever see my pen. Why you sell Nicky boot just to drive in? The way my football just get
Pick it up. Last time, push down.
Say goodbye. But don't leave me alone. Just step up and I need you.
Hold it here, keep going. Woo! I'm trying to say goodbye to this side cramp. Right foot.